step on your clutch and your foot brake. Engage your handbrake. Hey, what's up you guys? It's another day, it's another vlog. Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we will recreate my most viewed video last year, which was the basic manual driving Barefoot edition. But this time, we will level it up. We will do it in an uphill version. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! So, before tayo pumunta sa uphill, let's try it first dito sa flat surface para matansya natin yung dapat nating gawin. Okay? Let's do this! So, now I'm here in a flat surface. Let's imagine na nasa uphill tayo. So, ang una nating gagawin is engage first your handbrake. Let's say na-stuck tayo sa traffic and saktong-sakto na dun tayo sa uphill nakaposition or na-stuck. So, engage your handbrake. Engage it fully. Yung hindi na kayo umaatras or hindi nyo na na-feel na umaatras na kayo, it means na na-position mo yung handbrake mo to its full length. And then, put your gear shift to neutral. And then, if kailangan nyo ng umandar or nag-go na yung traffic, ang una-una nyong gagawin is step on your clutch and then change to first gear. And then, slowly release your clutch while stepping on your gas. So, mafe-feel nyo na yung sasakyan mo ay umaandar. So, by this time, release your handbrake. Then, continue to step on your gas. So now, let's apply what we have learned. So, let's see if nakuha nyo ba yung mga tinuro ko kanina. So, let's go! Let's say na stuck na kayo sa traffic in an uphill road, okay? So first, put your gear shift to neutral and then engage your handbrake fully and then slowly release everything, your clutch and your foot brake. So, mafe-feel nyo na hindi na kayo umaandar. And by the time na kailangan nyo nang umandar or nag-go na yung traffic light, all you have to do is change your gear shift to first gear while stepping on your clutch. Okay? Step on your clutch first fully and then shift to first gear and then step on your gas while slowly releasing your clutch. So, mafe-feel nyo yung sasakyan nyo na umaandar. So, by this time, pwede nyo nang i-release yung handbrake. See? Alright! By the way guys, I wanna say shout out to my brothers, Prince Rancel Soler and Gomercindo Soler Jr. Hello to you, please be safe always. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you wanna try my technique or that tip I just gave to you, please do it first in a flat surface to avoid future harms, okay? So I hope you will hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye. Bye.